So now, your question was how can we banish? It means removing the item, okay, and make a new item instead of the removing item, right? So we use here removing, okay, removing the item from the list and then remove. We will use remove function, okay, and remove function used to remove the item from the list, okay, or through the remove we can remove only the value, not by induction, okay. So the index means we can't use the index, right? Aswarya, are you hearing me?
Sorry, sir, I mute myself and I said yes,
No
yes.
problem. Okay. So I have explained this this is the list, and we want to remove the mango. Okay, mango, and then we want grapes, banana, strawberry, apple, the fruit list, right? We will use this
Yes, sir.
value, mango value, okay, mango value through the remove function. Okay, and then we have to run, okay, and we get what we want the output, we got that output, right? So you understood how can we use it. Now we have a multiple things to removing the item, so we have to learn this, right? So this is through the, I can mention through the value remove the item from the list.
Yes,
um, I have another, okay, we can use the pop, okay. What does that mean? Here removing, I can make here this line, removing the item from the list through the index, through the index. Am I right? So we have this also.
thank you.
So what we use here in the pop function, okay, pop is used to remove the item from list via index. Am I right? That's why I taught you the index. What is the like how to index represent here? Okay, this is the index. Okay. Let's start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Mango is a 0, and banana is a 1, strawberry is a 2, and apple is a 3. Okay, it's a positive bit, right? 1, 2, 3, and like a negative one. The negative one is like a from minus. Okay, it is a reverse. The item will be
Reverse.
reverse, okay. So like
Yes,
apple was on 3, am I right? On 3
yes,
index, but here it will be reversing, so the apple is in the -1 index, right? Same here, every product will be reverse, right? And then come back, am I right? Now, so
yes.
here we have to apply this one, am I right? Now, how can we do this? Let's see. If I So if I write here, like this is a list, we have a list. If I want any specific item, what item do you want?
Strawberry. Okay, so
You,
mango.
okay, or you want
Mango. Okay.
1, 0, 1. Okay, 0 is a grapes, 1 is a mango,
Yes, sir.
is a 3, strawberry, okay, is a 4. So if I'm talking about the index wise, so this is a fourth, okay, but index wise is a third. How can? So the grapes is 0, mango is a 1, banana is a 2, strawberry 3, apple is a 4. But we have 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items. But we count through the index, so we have only 4. So 0 is a like graphs, right? So I want the third
Yes,
remove strawberry. I want to remove. So I have to use a third index, right?
yes, sir.
Here we are using the values, am I right? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what that we have a 5, and we are using the mango. What is the value is a mango? We are not counting here, right? Like a 1, 2, 4.
One, sir.
We are not counting here index, right? Right? Because
Yes, sir.
we start the index from the 0, so we are not counting it, but here is counting. So is a graphs is 0, right? Mango is a 1, banana
Yes, sir.
is a 2, strawberry is 3, so we are using the 3. Now we have to run. Let's see. So we have successfully removed, right, strawberry, And how can we stir? How we remove the stir like a strawberry? We use the index.
What is the index value?
Index, okay, and then indexing. Okay, so we using the pop function and index through the index we have successfully removed the items from the list. All right.
Yes, sir.
You understood this, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have another is a delete. How can we use similar? Is a similar is a pop or is a delete is similar? Okay, I tell you here. Okay. So remove the item through the list. Okay, sorry, removing the item from the list through the index. Okay, so we will use that that is to remove the item from the list by the index. How can we do? Okay, we will use the same. Okay, let's see. And for this, what we will do here, I will do here is a del. All right, del and del, and then fruits. I want what products you want here remove. What products you want here remove? It's the
Grapes.
same. Is a 0, 1, 2, 3. Am I right? Or I can make this one. Sorry. See, I make this list, right? I think this is a
Yes, sir.
work better because here we have a notes list. I will use this list, right? So we will count
Yes.
how many items in the list.
0, 1, 2,
So
3. Yes, sir.
you want is a mango or you want banana? What you want? You want a grapes? Okay, anyone. Like we will remove the grapes. Let's see. It's a grapes. Here two times
Yes, sir.
and means of two times the output will be same, right? So it's a means
Yes.
that is successfully removed by using that. Am I right?
Yes, sir. So remove plus del both are same, right, sir?
Yeah, both are same. Whatever you want, but there is a one difference. Okay, is a pop is a fast. Okay, and delete that is a like a the performance is a lower. Okay, so if you want like a fast performance, you can use the pop. Otherwise, you can use a del. So there is nothing else. Depends on you. How can you use it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So pop is more than enough, am I right, sir?
Sorry.
Pop
Yeah, pop.
is more than enough, am I right, sir? It's the fastest one.
Right. Correct. Now you have to check the length of the list. How can you check the length of the list? Length length of the list.
Yes, sir.
Can we check it? So like we have a length. Okay, what is the length? And like I want same print. So we will check. We can check the length function. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Length. Okay. We use can check the length of the list. How can we check? So I take this list only, right? This list I make it here fruits. Okay, and this one. Am I right? Now I want to check. How can we check length? Am I right? And then is a fruits. What does that mean? We have fruits. Okay. Okay. Name here, right? Now if I want to check the length of the list, how can I get it? You can see the three. 1, 2, 3. What is a list? Is a total item? Is a 3 item? But if you check to the index 0, 1, 2, right? Here is a mango
Yes, sir.
0. Okay, index.
Banana is our line.
An
Yes, sir.
apple is a 2 index. But if you count here 1, 2, 3, that's I told you we have to.
Yes, sir. Balance.
What is the means? 3 items. So we got the length. Length means how many items in the list. We got this, right? It's not a
Yes.
character wise. We have to know. We have to count through the value. I can make it here like a plan help count the values not of items character items characters. Am I right? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt? No doubt, right? Now, okay, I have another one. So now, how can we use the list in a loop? Any idea? This is very important. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat again? I didn't listen.
Okay. So we want a loop through the list, like so. I
Loop. For loop.
how yeah yes how do we use loop or for loop, whatever loop we are talking about a loop. How do we use for loop? Let's see, I make a for loop, okay, in the list, right? In the list, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose we have a list, right? Now, so the list means we have to check what we have to use the same thing like for fruit, fruit, what is a
In
in fruit?
in range.
No, no,
Okay,
no,
okay, okay.
fruits.
Sorry, on the time we talk about ranges,
Because
I
yeah,
saw that.
so what is a range? The fruits is a range. Am I right? You know
Yes, sir.
how many items in the list? One, two, three, four. This is a range. Okay, so we
Yes,
got already range. So what? How can we for like yeah we write here what is the like for I in a range. So we use this parenthesis, right? Am I right?
yes, sir.
But here
Yes, sir. Not
here
four.
here we have already the list name, right?
Mention. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay,
You
so
already given.
here is also the range, right? Already range. What is the means
Yes.
here? The print. What is the mean? Is a fruit. Can use a fruit. Fruit. Why fruit? Because this one, right? So we have to
Yes, sir.
check here how many like a is a fruit in for like a fruit in a fruits. Okay, and then we have to check how what will be the answer. Let's see first. Okay, then I explain. Then we'll get better. So it means these item in the list, right? These item in the
Yes, sir.
so what is the mean?
Yes, sir.
We
Food
have a
items.
fruits. We have a fruit. These fruits, okay, in this fruit list, right? So what I'm
Yes, sir.
here, whatever the items is will be list here, right, or display. Am I right?
Yes.
Why? Because we are talking specific fruits. Okay, for which
Yes, sir.
this is a fruit. We have a one basket and the list. Okay, which name is a fruits, okay, and we are talking this fruits, okay, what how many fruits in this fruits, so we have to project, we have to list here, right? What does it mean? This is a list and we have to list here like this. Got it?
Yes, sir. You got it, sir.
Now, okay, check the item, okay, item existing, right? How many items are existing, right? What is
Yes.
existing is a true and false, like so for existing means we will use a boolean, right? True and false if any item.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, I will write first.
Also, we can use if condition. Am I right, sir?
So, which if and
Also, we can use if
yeah,
condition, sir. That's also
definitely
coming under to
we can
us.
use. But my
Yes.
question is, we have a this list, okay, this list,
Okay, sir.
and suppose we have a basket, okay, in a basket we have a grapes, mango, banana, apple, and you want to check, you missed, okay, and you thought I don't know, I put mango in my basket or not, right? So what will you do?
Yes.
You will recheck if mango is existing or not existing in your
Yes.
list. Am I right? Or in your basket? Am I right? So what you will do? You
Yes.
will to recheck again, and then if it's a true, okay, it's a mango. Then you think, okay, it's true. Okay, I was, I was confusing, but
Take
it's
care.
true because mango is already in my basket. All right.
Yes.
So what will it do this for this? It means I'm writing here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's a check the item existing. Check the item existing. Am I right? In the list, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
How can we do this? Or so it is a simple. Okay, it is a very common. Let's see how can we check it. Any there is nothing any function. Okay, so we will write this like print. We have to check. We have to check what I want to check. Suppose I want to check mango. We are talking about the mango, right? So I want
Yes, sir.
mango, mango, right? In which in fruits, am I right? In the fruits,
Yes, sir.
okay. So it means we get output in boolean is a true and false. If the mango is existing in the list, we get true. Otherwise false. Let's see. I will do.
True.
It's true. Am I right? It's true. If I want another code, okay, so and I want instead of mango, I want
Goa.
sorry,
Goa, sir.
guava, guava, right?
Yes, sir.
Guava, right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Now, if I put
Yes.
it is false, it means you didn't buy guava, and the guava is in guava isn't in your basket, so guava isn't existing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is one more thing. What I'm going to do here. One point for remembering. We get output to boolean or false, right? Fine. Now
Yes, sir.
I teach you one more okay things, okay, and then we will close the class today. Tomorrow I won't be available because tomorrow we have a festival. Okay, so
Yes. Sorry, I forgot, sir.
no problem, but that's not an issue. Okay, now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Advance wishes. What
no,
is
no.
festival, sir?
Is Muharram. Okay, it's a Muharram. Children, you know this, right? Now I want concat the list. How can we concat the list? Okay,
Yes.
concat, concat the list, concat multiple list, concat the concat two or two or more than two lists, right? Right. So we have a tool. I tell you, I give you one example. So suppose I give an example, I make a example, a list on, am I right? The list, okay. I want this list, okay, like this, 1, 2, 4, okay. And I don't have a this list, okay. We have a list. How is the list? We have a list. One is 1, 2, 1 and 2. All right. The list 2 is equal to uh, 3 and 4. Am I right? So we have a
Yes.
one list, one, two, when second list, two, three, and four. Am I right? So how can we make this list? List one, two, three, four. Okay. So how can we do this? Make I want a list is a final list, whatever you want list. Okay, and then I want a list one. Am I right? And then
Yes, sir.
plus list two. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I am print this. Okay. Let's see what is the answer. So we successfully concatenating, right? So this is
Yes, sir. Contract.
means we have a successfully merged two tables here, right? Adding
Yes.
like items in the we make a one list instead of the two list. We had a two list. Now we have one list, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
but I tell you one thing. So let's say if I run this, then what is the answer here? We have only one list. Here's a one list. Is a one list. Okay, if I present, I run this as well. So you said okay, now it means the list. Okay, one have a two attributes, one or two items. List two has a two items. Okay, and they stored in the data already, right?
Yes, sir.
They stored data. That's why we got this answer. Am I this right?
Yes, sir.
If I remove one here, so automatically will be removed, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So it's mean
Yes, sir.
we need both list to adding the data in or to make a new list, right?
Yes, sir.
What is my point? So I hope you
Yes.
understood, okay? And few things left in a list I will teach.